Alright, how's it going, guys? Is I Chancellor G here, and I'll be posting this on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and I'll be chugging this Sprite, trying to chug the Sprite without burping. So, without further ado, can't burp. Actually, maybe not Instagram. This would be too long for it. Oh, sure. I'm almost done. Actually, I don't think it could be on TikTok either because it's too long. Or maybe. We'll have to see. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow. Turn on post notifications. Make sure you like and subscribe on your phone, your parents' phone, your siblings' phone, whatever phone, even your friend's phone. Alright. Just did it without burping. Oh my god. Oh, I just lost. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.